And he rips it down the right field line. It is a fair ball going to the corner. The carousel is a moving. One run is in. Herrera is going to score. Dominic Brown will score all the way from first. It's a triple for Andres Blanco. 11-6, Phillies on top. Where has this offense been the entire year?